Hi Vegas, can you explain what we just experienced?
It was so much fun. Super excellent slow-mo videos. So willing.
Oh.
They're my next supermodels.
Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries and the adventure continues. Alright everybody, welcome to another beautiful day here in Hunder. And check out the mountains behind me. So beautiful. This area in this valley is spectacular. Stayed at this great campground last night, had a little river. Great little place. We are packing up the bikes and we're headed to the sand dunes today. See you there. Guys, we're on our way out of Hunder, and here's something interesting most people don't think about. Vikas and I are actually wearing t-shirts today when wearing normal pants. One, because it is way too hot to be wearing our jackets and full gear. People yell at me and at other people because they say all the gear all the time, but in all reality, your chances of a heat stroke, sunburn, and other things are a lot higher than you have in an accident. I like to mix it up. In South America, I always wear full gear most of the time. Here in India, it's been a little different, and I like to balance it out. You have to stay cool, safe, and alert. And your brain and your mentality and how you conduct your motorcycle is definitely the #1 priority. You're overheating with a helmet, jacket, pants, boots. Sometimes you can't think straight. So put sunscreen on, protect the skin, #1, and do this for a little bit, but not all day long. You gotta take care of yourself in other ways that most people don't think about. So you just got to balance it out, be safe. Alright, Hunder, you were a very pleasant surprise. Sand dunes, camels, oasis, trees, green, sand. Definitely a unique place here in Ladakh. Oh, by the way, I love my little prayer flags. They look so good in video, they look so cool in pictures. I was driving the wrong side of the road. Sorry. Alright, we made it to the sand dunes. Very exciting. Just check it out. It's so beautiful and I love it. This reminds me of home because I'm from the desert. Sand dunes are in my backyard. The color's a little different, but still the feeling of being out here, dry, heat, wonderful. I missed it so much. So Vikas and I just took some amazing pictures. So we're trying a new combination of camera stuff, different lens, different body, picture profiles. So we're filming this really crazy cinematic thing. Such a struggle to figure out what works best, the light, the harsh conditions, the landscape, everything else. So we're just having a tough time figuring that out, but hopefully you guys will love the cinematic piece that we're producing. I don't know, I figured I might as well do it. I love doing that stuff. I know it's not very popular for YouTube and it doesn't get the views it deserves because it takes so much time and effort to do it, but I just love it. It's my passion, so I don't let views stop me from producing stuff that I like. Camels are here, everybody does the rides. It's actually very relaxed as it was last evening. So we're headed back to the city of Leh, and we're headed back to the very same road that we came back yesterday. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a montage, music, compilation. See you in Leh. Vikas, yeah, baby. Bend over.
Stretching, man. Go right ahead.
So as we're driving down this beautiful valley, we actually saw there's a small trail that goes to the sand dunes and the beautiful greenery. So we're trying to find it, but it's very complicated. We can't quite seem to find the entrance. So hopefully we can do that because it just looks so amazing. All right, seems like we found it down here. Look at this. Alright, so if you guys can tell, I'm having a lot of fun here because there's a bunch of naked kids running after my drone. Look at that. Hi Vegas, can you explain what we just experienced?
It was so much fun. Super excellent slow-mo videos. So willing.
Oh.
They're my next supermodels.
Again, the main reason I love India is because it is just kids. Everyone is just so friendly. Alright, so what happened today is very funny. Kids are here and there's actually 4 naked kids running around the sand dunes. So it's very random, very crazy, but also very cute. That's today's unique experience. And they were having a lot of fun looking at the drone, flying around. They don't know what to think of it. And the naked kids actually started running after it, which is so funny. So get ready to experience the most hilarious drone video I've filmed so far. And now Vegas is getting all the attention now.
This one now.